If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. All right, without further ado, let's check out XG's Howl. 3, 2, 1, bop. The wolves be high. Hey yo, why they using like some type of why did that sounded like some DPR Ian-ish. Taking me into your world. What the hell? Y'all put me through a whole world. What the hell? That's creepy. Hey, y'all ever seen the movie The Gray with Liam Neeson? That shit's scary as hell. It's about wolves hunting your ass. Oh my god. Anyways, that's how I feel like how XG is. They just really attack. Anyways, Howling. Let's listen to this again. I already watched the MV. It's beautiful. I already love the bass. It's this jazziness of it. It really reminds me of Cowboy Bebop. Like that part with the hat.
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Rock is hot cause X took that tone. Tough as diamonds, no sticks and stones. That's connected like tic-tac-toe. Lights go out of my pack, just grow. Opposition, my prima.
Hey!
Game of hunger, bring that smoke. You don't want no smoke. Thanks out. Attack on 3, that's a man down. I've been going these parts.
Can I give credit to Harvey? Harvey is just special to me. I mean, all the girls are dope and everything, but Harvey just got like that. She got them quotables too. I mean, that's kind of tough. A lot of them have quotables.
Hand out too many captain, I be losing head count. See the red dot. I like to cook, so I hump for my dinner. My appetite only get bigger and bigger. If I too wolf, then it must be a thriller. Woke up in blood, so I must be a killer.
Woke up in blood, so I must be a killer. I love that ish, bro. Bro, they really attacking it. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to all the writers, the girls, everybody, bro, because they killed this one. Maya came in hard. So did Coconut in the beginning too. Juden too.
I've been going these bars like a handout. Too many captain, I be losing head count. See the red dot. I like to cook, so I hump for my dinner. My appetite only get bigger and bigger. If I too wolf, then it must be a thriller. Woke up in blood, so I must be a killer.
Then the chorus with the singers. Say that again. Say that one more time. Hold up. Wait, can I look at the? Oh, they don't have the lyrics yet.
That's how we howl.
Never in my life would I never expected to. I want to be a wolf because of this. Y'all got me wanting to wear freaking furry hats now. A grown ass man about to wear furry hats. About to. Don't give me one. Do not give me one. I might wear it. I won't become a furry though. I'm not gonna lie. Shout out to all my furry friends. I don't know if I do have them, but if you a furry, no disrespect. I just.
Moonwalk on a rooftop like a roof. I move like that geograph with a zoom shot. Hoorah, huddle up.
Bro, moonwalk on a rooftop.
In the house.
Oh, my
Why
bad.
these places not for you to reenact. First down and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. throat got the go. Rewind the video, do it when you get it ready.
Woo!
You unleash the beast. Call it Wolfgang, cause we back to feast. Call it first hand, a new type of breed. Never sees, I got mouths to feed. Listen to hear the howling. Sound of a couple thousand albums. Now to feel surrounded. I move with silence. Group like a group of wilders. No choice but to choose the violence. Can't break out, no escape route. There's nowhere to hide. It's close to midnight and the night skies come hunting down. Nothing can stop or endanger us. If you anger us, could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound. The sound.
3, 2, 1, get it! Ooh. That shit got me body roll. Hold up. Let me hit that body roll one time. Let me hit that body roll one time.
Hunting down, nothing can stop or endanger us. If you anger us, could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound. The sound. 'Cause that's how we howl.
Love you, Dre.
That's how we howl.
Your boy still got that.
That's how we howl.
Hey, hey. Hey, thanks for following.
Welcome to the world where the strongest monster.
Bro, this song brings my testosterone levels me too. It's bringing out the wolf I never had inside before.
That's how we howl.
Them awwoos hit different, bro. I'm sorry.
Where are you now?
Bruh. Can I just say something? Let me say something real quick to Simon. I'm gonna say something real quick to Simon. Simon, you were the one that came to me with this project, this group called XG, X-Gal X at first. And he was selling, let me tell you inside scoop. He did come to me with like, yo, I used to react to my like K-pop videos and blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, okay, what is like, so there's this group that I'm like creating, blah, blah, blah. And then he's like, I want you to check it out, blah, blah, blah. We're going to do a lot of stuff with this. Thank you for bringing this to my attention. Bro, mind blowing. Look at you now. Look at XG now. It's one of my favorite girl groups. It's not even K-pop. It's like all English. A Japanese girl group that's a global group that speaks all English, raps all English, sings all English. How do you categorize XG? I think someone's car outside is banging. Maybe it's because of XG. All right, we're moving on. Space meeting skit. What is that? Quiet this.
あれ絶対言おうだ。絶対言おうだよ。見えないあのカメラいいもの作れ。
Unidentified object is spotted on site. The speed is unmeasurable in knots. It's fast. It's big. Base, do you copy? SG, do you copy? System override. Connecting signal. Target locked. Engaging.
Oh shit. And then it goes to if you know, you know. This song though, y'all. Chat. I need you to get lit. If you know, you know. Hey. 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 Hey.
If you know, you know.
Bro, this shit's too good. It's like candy. It's addictive. This is a drug. Hey. Hey. Hey, welcome. Swag on my neck. Hello, I am Russian person. I'm recording for foreigners react to Russian music. Let's try. How about in the next stream for sure? I got you. Right now, XG in the building, bitch. Hey, 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 hey. If you know, you know. Get it right. Hey, Deb, twerk that. Yeah, definitely in the future stream. Swag on my neck. Hey, new game post. Appreciate you. Hi Dre, watched your reaction videos on YouTube for a while, but I missed your streams. Glad I caught one. Actually, is the best. Hey, Pokemon Profess? Is it Pokemon Profess? Bro, can I say something? I've been playing the Pokemon TCG mobile game. Oh, I got some Pokemon cards too. Got some decent pulls. But hey, I've been playing this. Hold up. I know I'm like, isn't Yuri Russian, Dre? You have reacted to him already? Yes, I did. He is Russian, correct. Hold up, I'm gonna just put you all on. If you have this game, add me. Not me in the middle of me doing a reaction. I don't know if you see that.
You're asking me what's beyond the deep. Oh, come and take a lead. Just follow my lead. It's one of a kind, not in this time. Oh, na, na, na. But baby, only if you know, you know. Tell me if you wanna ride. Faster than the speed of light.
Faster than the speed of light.
Only we can get it right. If you know, you know. Tell me if you wanna ride. Faster than the speed of light. Only we can get it right.
Get it right, get it right.
If you know, you know. Tell me if you wanna ride. Faster than the speed of light.
Hey,
Only we can get it right.
if you know, you know.
Tell me if you wanna ride.
What do you guys like? What do you guys think of if you know, you know?
Only we can get it
Let me know, let me know.
if you know, you know.
It's such an upbeat song. It makes me feel happy too. And it has a lot of like past like Easter eggs, if I'm not mistaken. Sunset Club vibes. Yeah, let me know. Let me know what you think about if you know, you know. Like, what are your initial thoughts? My second favorite song of the album. Your second. So, what's your first, Adam? What is your first? I'm curious. Yes, let me know. Let me know. Whether it be on Twitch, if you're watching this on Patreon, comment down below. If I'm able to upload some of this on YouTube, let me know. Let me know. Howling. Oh, Howling does go hard. Yes, swag on my neck. Come through the Discord and drop your request in the non-K-pop section there. I'll be down to check out some Russian music. I'm always down. But right now, we're focused on XG at the moment. All right, next up, something ain't right. Y'all already know. Just join the Discord. Hey, Jai, you coming through. Again, we do K-pop stuff. We also do a lot of gaming. Sometimes we do some anime, some scary stuff. I was about to play a scary game called, it's The Quiet Place. What do you call it? The Quiet Place game? Oh, it's tough. I've been seeing something right around my house a lot. Ooh, well, we about to play that up next.
Something ain't right. You've been acting funny lately. You ain't
Hey,
got
welcome.
got me out here looking
Green tea.
crazy. What you tryna hide? Baby, I can't take it.
Green tea
You can't take it.
117. What are you following
Something ain't
now?
right. I know something ain't right. I feel you creeping. I don't need to be right there.
boy.
The way you're moving, things you're doing.
Ooh,
just
I do want to check out
ain't
Arcane tomorrow
right.
too.
Every time I call your name, the way you answer ain't the same. Yeah, I figured you out, boy. Why you really think that you're the
Well, today we're gonna be focusing more on the Japanese
one? Running game.
groups actually.
Why are you standing there playing dumb? When I know something ain't right. You've been acting funny lately. You ain't gotta lie. Got me out here looking crazy. What you tryna hide? Baby, I can't take it. You can't take it. Something ain't right. I know something ain't right. Something ain't right. Something ain't right. Something
How many MV dropped for them this album? Howling, If You Know You Know, and Something Ain't Right. Think. How many else?
Put you in the spotlight. You can tell me what you want, but it's all lies. Knock, knock, who's there? It's your whole life. I don't do 3 checks only one time.
Woke Up too? Oh, Woke Up as well. But it's the Woke Up remix, right? Hey! I feel like I'm in a RuPaul's Drag Race lip syncing for my life. I'm still gonna listen to the Woke Up remix. Alright, next up is In the Rain. Now, I never heard of In the Rain yet. I never heard In the Rain. It's a major UK garage vibes, and I'm telling you, like 2000s. Which one? In the Rain or Something Ain't Right? Because Something Ain't Right does sound like... I'm feeling nostalgic. Me too, girl. In the Rain is such a good R&B. Oh, you got me. You had me at R&B. Alright, so we got In the Rain up next. I'd never listened to this. This is gonna be a first time. Hold up. Hold up.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head, head over heels, nothing to fear. Cause we had each other, fall through the weather. There was no other like this. And then you started hiding it, sliding in. Baby, it's so evident. Boy, why are you stuttering? Bad mouth, you still running in. Goodbye.
Hold up.
So you never been like that, like that. Yeah, I know it's a shame, what a pity. You got nobody to blame but your baby. Night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain.
Okay.
Out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm my side, I'm my side, I'm my side.
Ooh, who wrote this?
So let it rain, what else can
I like that part. Let it rain, let it rain. Oh, y'all, they got me.
nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm my side, I'm my side, I'm my side. So let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right where you left me. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain. In the rain, in the rain.
Ooh, I love that part. Same, Adam.
Rain, don't go away.
Don't go away.
Please stay another day. Funny how I don't wanna make it stop. Hails every time it drop. Each drop. Yeah. Right now you got me dancing in the rain. All by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything.
Hey.
Ain't no one will look back.
I need a performance for this. In the Rain. I need some Omarion Usher In the Rain type of performance, XG. If you're gonna do a performance, it better be like, oh. Hold up.
All the scars, all the pain, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold. with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side. So let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right when you left me. In the rain, 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 in the rain.
Hey! I need you to do something like this. I need you to do something like this, XG. XG, I need something like this. Hey, yo, XG, you are just too good. Hold up, I need something like this. I need something like this, XG. 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 I need something like this, a performance like this, XG. Imagine like Juden, Trench, just like, wait, who else dances in the rain? Hold up, who else dances in the rain? Was it a bird as well? What was that song? Omaria. Oh.
Dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. Goodbye, goodbye. And you know I won't look back, look back. It was only a game.
Oh, was it in the rain though? It was outside though. Is it Usher? What was the one where he was dancing in the rain? Bro. Anyway, this song's fire. Was it Confessions? Hold up. Got me like. Was it Confessions? Where he just had a whole ass dance in the rain? I don't think so. I don't think it's Confessions. Nah, there was one. There was one. Was it? Oh, wait. This make me want to do some Aaliyah Janelle choreo. No, dead ass. Dead ass, bruh. Wait. I swear to God. Why can't I remember that Usher one where he just go out in the fucking rain dancing? Was it just like, I was vibing so hard, I forgot it was from the stream. Nah, bruh. You're right, though. Usher. Let me just say dancing. Maybe I'm just tripping, though. I'm just thinking Usher for some reason. I know everybody just name dropping everybody else. Search Aaliyah, the one. Oh. Aaliyah. Shout out to Aaliyah. Rest in peace. Was it Aaliyah? Am I confusing with somebody else? Yeah, no. That's Aaliyah. Wait, hold up. Sorry, I'm just muting it for copyright reasons, too. Ooh. Oh, it's that type of vibe, though. Oh! Wait! Play that. Hold up. Play that. Play that. You know inspiration? Nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side? Anyways, let's move on.
What else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to
Shout out to In the Rain. I gotta add everything, bro.
In the rain.
Banger. That's a banger. All right. I know a lot of people are not like feeling. I don't know how you guys feeling about the Woke Up remix. It is pretty random though. I'm not gonna lie. I did not expect the remix to Woke Up. I actually prefer the regular one over the remix. But let's just take a listen either way. Got a million streams too though. I know I got J Park. Is Simon rapping in this? No. Oswald. Aklo?
The king of this shit, who comes to mind? Got soldiers to move on the drop of a dime. Haters be shy like lemon and lime. Minus the ribbon, it's taking my prime.
This beat itself is kind of crazy though.
Kinda.
Hella.
You getting smoked like a swisher will come, but that's cash that you buy at the store. I speak on my accent, now let's get it cracking. I'm not in the talking no more. I do artistry, R&B, R&D, alchemy. Artists feed the top and lead the hottest seat. My policy, always find a pot and pen. Yeah, it's how it go in my catalog.
I agree. I think the original hits harder for me personally. But to those who like the remix, obviously a lot of people like the remix if there's like 1.4 million streams. It still hits.
I cannot count.
Yeah, I agree. I think Simon's goal for this is to collab with both rappers from South Korea and Japan, which is true.
Yeah,
they got A-Witch.
Dragons all over my skin. From
they got Verbal.
Look at my fit. Yeah, I like some one shit. Move it like it's bit with my stick. You been the voice in the ring. Hey yo, that motherfucker was going in. Wait, hey, that motherfucker was going in. Hold up. Yeah, woke up looking like this. Dragons all over my skin. From outer space to Okinawa now. Tatami Tokyo drift. Look at my fit. Yeah, I like some one shit. Move it like it's bit with my stick. You been the voice in the ring. Kitera sagatati. Ono let me on my talk because I was a mitamashini arigato. Mono demo night okara kono game de kutera top. Gentes ni chote gak show says mono home. We'll let a chick in the ghost got me. XG and us world.
先の方が夢も終わり全てがグレの字ネガティビティなんてもんで無用ぶち上げまくりたたサブロー右肩上がり方がこう自分のスタジオ好きにリコールヘラのディスはサイズリー
Woke Up and Howling are the same categories? What do you mean?
ここまで来ればもう問題はないマイク焦がしてスピードでファイアかますたびにやってく快楽 Addicted to this だからやめれね
This beat go hard.
俺にリミックスさせたらやばいのは当然だ Get a good frequency, yeah, babe. If you wanna find me, look when the way. China go on, I don't care.
Hold up. Let me find the instrumental to this.
어느새 두 번의 decades 내 재능은 농이고 세련되지고 부기 걸음으로 checkmate 앞으로 날 부를 땐 sensei 장난이 아닌 내 profession 니네가 하는 건 안 졸업했어 한반도를 계속 대표해 세계가 내 길 translate 경계 없진 난 K-pop, J-pop에 칠해 난 내 색깔 구분하는 것 자체가 무의미하지 세상의 모든 게 내 대감 내 좋은 점만 골라 빼어가 사랑 주는 일을 위한 내 역할 입금이 되면 제대로 해야지 인류를 위해 뜨기 되니까 조명 뒤에 많은 politics 쟁취를 위한 여러 갈림길 이 모든 과정을 받아들이지 못하면 패자로 남겠지 하지만 정답은 밖에 있지 않으니 내 안에서 찾아야겠지 견뎌내 크고 작은 일 난 예술로 흔적을 남겼지 반겨 새로운 아침 어제 어둠은 갔으니 난 평범하게 동네를 걸으며 새로운 날 발견하지 세대의 간격을 좁혀가는 동안 너는 아직도 거긴가 어느새 두 번의 decades 내 여정은 과연 어디까지
Shout out to that Tokyo Drift King. I don't know if you guys know who Verbal is. Verbal is iconic, bro. Verbal's iconic. I remember what Jackson said about XG.
Yeah, lot of mercy, bougie, word to Simon, Tori by V. Army, ODB, Namini Nai, Tori Maki, Akumaka, Angel, Dochikato Yuto, Tanimachi, Party Kore or New York, Dochikato Yuto, Shibukaji, Nami. I don't dance, Takedo don't chant. So white at one chant, Kore de mote tai, that's word to your cock chant. OE to Shoku, demo zutto made me tight. They threw me on this remix, I'm a necessary vice.
hop on a stage. Long hair to my way.
Hey, witch.
They're screaming the name.
Hey, witch.
AWICA.
Hey.
All over Asia.
Bro, A Witch really be coming through like globally too. I feel like after like the I'm blanking out what I found A Witch in. What's the one? Not the Watashi Wasta, but the guy that was on Megan Thee Stallion's thing, he made another track that got really popular. But I heard Verbal was one of the Teriyaki boys who made Tokyo Drift. Am I right? Yes. I think Verbal was also M-Flow as well. But I could be mistaken. Hold on. Can I double check on that? Let me see. Credit. Bro. Let me see.
We love you, Dre. We love you, Dre.
Was he also? I might be tripping though. Do y'all know about Verbal? Let me see. Is it info? Yeah, right? I'm not tripping. I'm fact checking myself. Yes. He was on Verbal as well. Which didn't that inspire If You Know, You Know? Correct? If I'm not mistaken. Yes, yes, because this is the one for If You... This was the inspiration for If You Know, You Know. M-Flow, Prism. If you guys didn't know that. And so was Verbal as a part of this. He was also part of the Teriyaki Boys. Which is pretty fire. If you can hear it. Y'all hear that? You hear the inspiration of If You Know, You Know? And we're back. Yeah, big up to Simon for working on this.
No shame in my game, all the bro is my brain. They're saying that they're up, but that don't mean that they're awake. What is it, K-pop or J-pop, or they not, or they rap? Please know that we give thanks to hip-hop.
Okay.
Julian son, show us how to glide.
Julian
on that snowboard is so cold and Coco. She's so bold, she got this game on chokehold.
Hey.
Word on loco, they so gone, like hold on. Ooh, girls, why you gotta be so extra? Oh yeah, the extraordinary, hence the texture.
Good night, Ray.
Best I expect nothing less than woke up looking like the sandwich serving on your breakfast.
Who is Top? Who is Talk? Because he came in high, I remember. I was listening to this with Hedgen when I was in Hawaii. Like, Talk go hard. Hey, yo, Greasy on a different level. Why Greasy being extra?
올해도 남아요와 탁탁 산 줄 놓고 강고 끊어놓고 올해도 그냥 가나 했네 근데 여기서 랩을 하는 복을 Demon Slayer 물불 안 가려내 hope I should I go
Shout out to Demon Slayer
flow 무게인 train rest in peace Kyojiro
Demon Slayer Ray Goku
Jackops yes sir
and then Doki I haven't heard Doki in so long bro
yo I break the record no Guinness limo pocket for my dinner. Victor wine got my slippers on.
Where you been at, Doki?
I guess watch you rap. Back with Sinjak up the biddy. Been a ill and no Illuminati shit. I just do when no ditters. Dope music, no drug dealer. Jiku 5%.
Hey.
Nina drama na jam man did a net in the sound young wap and stiller. Nanan got a nigga man then
Well, that'll be interesting, Loner. Is that how you say your name? Loner? Or the username?
Bounce back, duck and pipe on pipe. Boom. Keep it juicy, steaming, shalom bow.
Shalom bow.
Yugi no music, Allen style. Modern dread that got you meet up with your another round. I am what I am like the answer. Nine the mother, I run this shit like I'm the chancellor. Ne 앞에 선다 삼가 토로 뭐라 들다 된쳐. 서른 네 살이 됐어 though I never put my pants up.
Woo.
I'm gone.
Okay. You never put your pants up? Hey man, this thing's called belts. Yo, everybody in there slayed that. They killed that. Personally, like I said, I do prefer the original. I think the original hits, I don't know. The original hits different to me. I kind of wish they added the original with it. Let me see. Because Woke Up was its own thing by itself, right? Bro, it goes so hard, bro. Yeah.
Yeah,
I've been
looking at him, trying to catch a take how you wanna
take it. Left the place to
planet,
be.
left to take another planet, left to make
Another statement. XG, baby, say the names right.
Spell it out so
You
you can
learn
learn
it.
Cause metal ties when it's turning. Cause metal fire when it's
You burn
burning.
it.
Can tell we all made it work for us. Made
Work.
it, but we had to work for it.
Work.
So perfect that it hurt, don't it?
Surf on them.
Right away, right away, right away. Cause we had the right away.
Bye.
Flying past it, we fly away in the outer space.
Drop top in the coupe outside when hey.
Look at my fit right now when I just walked out of my bed.
Hey.
Fix my hair, fix my makeup on the way.
Down to the next stop.
Bound for the grain, make 'em bow down to the X. A little more than ordinary, honorary, underestimated, leaving all you broke. I'm the judge.
I still think this is one of the hottest raps. I know everybody killed this, but for me, was this Maya? Jesus, I think it was Maya, right? If I'm not mistaken.
Past it, we fly away in the outer space. Drop top in a coupe outside, wanna hop up out of this plane. Look at my fit right now when I just walked out of my bed. Fix my hair, fix my makeup on the way.
Bound to the next stop, bound for the great.
Bow down to the X. A little more than ordinary, honorary, underestimated, leaving all you broke. I'm the judge and jury, I don't wanna hear it. I'm the one that fear and keep it on the low. This is automated, I'm the motivator. Told my haters, y'all more the merrier. Y'all my entertainment, fascinated. I'm just laughing cause it's so hilarious.
Hey.
Little girl with a big
mouth,
smoke with a big house.
Yeah.
Big watch on the wrist now. I just started that flow now, just now.
Coconuts voice is just
everything custom now. Friends rushing out, security had to
push me up. For the 8 loud up power living.
Better go with a big motor on a kid though. Watch me rip though, watch me snap like Motorola flip phone. I don't
Freaking Judith kills it.
On an intro, bring that bounce like 6-4. Find me in Tokyo, rapping in a skirt. Are you catching my drift though? Looking like
that
this,
is fire.
so
I love that lyric. Obviously, that's ode to like Tokyo Drift. Find me in Tokyo rapping in a skirt. You catching my drift though. Hey yo, and shout out to the people that wrote this too. I know who you are. Shout out to the Yoks, bro. When I heard how they rap this and then I see y'all names in the freaking credits, obviously I think the girls implemented their like how they want to rap it too and like their writing too. But when I saw Jay Young and lyrics in this, I was like, they fucking spit in that shit. Big Pop Rock. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. When I saw that, I was like, makes sense. Makes sense. But all right, let's continue. One more last song. It's This Love. Sorry, we got into a little tangent. My bad. What's up, y'all? What's up? I'll talk. You guys saw the stock price, girl. Hey, stay on topic. All right, last one. I never heard Is This Love, so this will be my first time hearing it. So without further ado, let's go. You stop playing. Did I kill that shit? No, I didn't. Never mind. I thought my Filipino was coming out.
Yeah, you're my sunshine, you're the only one I wanna give all my time. There's just something about it. Soon as we met, I couldn't even help it. Yeah, I got a feeling and I can't ignore it. I ain't playing no games, I mean what I say. Got you on my mind. It feels
So I'm checking the credits.
won't you swing my way? Baby, don't make me wait. I don't know if it's meant to be, but it feels like everything. Is this love? Is this love?
Hey, yo, wait, hold on. This sounds like something. What does this remind me of? When she went, is this love? Is this love? I can't hit those notes, but that remind me of another artist for a second.
It's meant to be, but it feels like
You remind me of SZA a bit? I don't know. I might be reaching.
everything. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love?
I love that. Is this love? Sound like Justin Bieber, bitch? Yeah, I can see that too. I can see that too. Got that booty bass vibe going. What's up?
What's love gonna do when you feeling blue? You've been looking for the truth, so I'm telling you. But all this time in the back of my mind is back to remind me. So let me learn what I never knew. Now you got me like, ooh, I don't care.
Twice shout out in this song? Wait, what? Did I miss that? Oh, what's love? Okay, you reaching. But I do hear like that, like, you know, when Justin Bieber was in his R&B bag, I kind of hear that a little bit too, though. That was more or less of a reach than the Twice. I got my booty bouncing. Look at me bouncing. You see this? That's all my ass. My ass is doing that. No, nothing else in my body. That's my booty bouncing to the song. Oh, my testicles are going. My testicles are going. Definitely inspired by 90s club song, for sure. Oh, this is dope too. It's a fucking solid one. Solid ass album. It's considered an album? Yeah, 8 is the album. Wait, are they already selling the physical? Oh, the vinyl version. What? They're selling different versions? Hold up. They're selling... What? These are paper? It comes with lyric booklet. Hold up. Y'all see this? It comes with like a lyric booklet. They're selling like... So it comes with like lyric booklet, logo stickers, 2 pieces, decorative sticker sheet, Hinata version. Okay. Photo card. Do I have to get all of them? How much is this? 19 bucks? Hey man, I need my next paycheck. I need my next paycheck now. By this end of this week. Cause listen, I bought the you know how many woke up albums I got? Hey, if you want to fund my addictiveness of XG albums, if you want to fund it, or if Simon or Chancellor or XG want to give me a signed dedicated album, yo boy do support, and shout out to my chat, they do support me in my addictions too. That money spread. Hey, yo, hold up. That gave me a great idea. Hold up. Make sure nothing's gonna get unplugged. Let me do that. Hold Hold up. One second. I'll be right there. 1 second. Hey yo, screenshot. Hey yo, screenshot this. Send it to Simon.
Yeah, I've been here waiting, looking at him, trying to catch up, take it how you wanna take it. Left the place in panic, left to take another planet, left to make another statement. XG, baby, say the names right, spell it out so you can learn it. Cause metal toss when it's turning, cause metal fire when it's burning. You can tell we all made it work for us, made it, but we had to work for it. Work, so perfect that it hurt, don't it? Surf on them, right away, cause we had the right away. Bye, flying past it, we fly away in the outer space. Drop top in a coupe outside, wanna hop up out of this plane. Look at my fit right now when I just walked out of my bed. Fix my hair and fix my makeup on the way. Bound to the next stop, bound for the grain, make 'em bow down to the X. A little more than ordinary, honorary on the rest.
Dre, you knew XG got a vinyl disc version of the album? No, I do. I saw it. I do have a vinyl player though. They definitely might see it. Listen, if you tag them and send them to him. Bro, they have a vinyl version. Hey, man. That's crazy. All right. Hold on. I was going to rap to this. Let me see if I can do that. Let me get in the booth. Hold on. Let me get in the booth. I got this. Yeah. What we doing here? Check it. Yeah. What? Get it. J to the R-E. Everybody going really gonna be me. And I get on the beat. I don't like feet. Going to the fucking side. I'm not really high. I get high FXG music. What you know about me? I keep on going on the fucking flow. You already know. Hey, and I touch my toes when I go on the flow. Yo, and my ass eats that beat up. And my booty keep on shaking. Shake that booty on the floor. Get it, get it more. And we get it too good. And we get it, and I keep going and going. You already know what this beat keeps on flowing and flowing. Hey, J-R-E is what I go by. All these other bitches looking like so high, and we getting that money, you stacking the bread. Keep on going, I keep on going till I'm dead. And I love my XG fan. Keep on going like you don't know. I don't need, man. And I rapping on this fucking beat. Woke up in this bitch looking like I don't like feet. I don't like feet. I keep on saying that cause it keeps on going in my rhymes. Everybody looking like, bitch, he keeps on talking about feet. Why? And I don't know why. And I keep on going out of time. Hey, and we get it. Stupid. And you know I love that love Cupid. And I get that shit. You ain't a fart, bitch. You a... I'm gonna stop. All right, let's move on.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.